Let's learn IIB. Today we will learn how to use data capture store config service and display data from database onto web admin interface. Data capture is based on publish-subscribe model. To specify the data you want to record to a database, you configure your message flows to emit events messages. The broker subscribes to the topic and routes the published messages to the database. Use this script and create DB objects necessary for data capture store. You can use SQL plus command line tool or SQL Developer GUI for this. After you create DB objects, execute select statement on any of these tables. In my case, I created these objects way back in 2016 and I have some data from that period. Create ODBC DSN using Windows tools. For detailed steps on how to create DSN, refer my previously published video, link in description. Use the mqssetDBparams command to set a user identifier and password for the broker to use when connecting to the database. Then use mqssetcvp command to verify the connection details shared with IIB. I migrated my broker today from Fixpak 17 to Fixpak 20. Note the file-based auth that I set up to log into the broker is carried over to the new IIB version. I created data capture store and added details of my Oracle DSN. You can import XML file to create config service or use web admin interface to create it. Specify the integration server that is to be used for processing data using mqsi change properties command. Observe the data capture store that I created today displaying data from 2016. Why is this so? I have not triggered any messages on my broker, I have not created monitoring profile. Understand the roles of monitoring profile and data capture store. Monitoring profile is responsible for publishing events to the topic from message flows. Data capture store is responsible to display them on web admin interface from database. Many organizations will not use data capture store to display audit data on web admin interface. They would instead use some application server or provide direct DB access. What are your observations? Reply in comments.